Guys, so this is a quick update on how the POP is being installed. So in our first video, we spoke about, or I taught you how this board is being made. What do we use? All what we need is the fiber, the POP cement, and also water. Yeah, just to mix it together to form this board you are seeing here. And also we'll need a very smooth platform as well. We'll need a cooking oil to just make the surface also smooth as well. Yeah. So then we have our board. How do we install it? So this is what we are doing now. So these are some sort of forms that we try to install so that these boards can be seated on. And also, since this POP is originated from the Francophone system, they know much more about it. So they call this little title as papillon. So these are what holds the POP boards so that we can use our fiber to hold it in there. Now let's look at this side too. These are forms fiber that holds this board stronger, and I learned it's very strong, even more than the glue as well. So when you dry it up, you have what a solid POP sealing with. So this is what you can see below. So in our video, I'm just going to show you more videos about how this process is being done, how the mixing is also ongoing, and also the installation as well. I'll also show you the final product as well.
So actually at this instance, we make sure we take a good measurements so that our POP plugs will be accurate and will be in alignment as well. In one of our videos, I taught you how these plugs are being made. So that's what you can see there. So this time around, the plugs have already been made. So we are left with the installment. And how do we do it? So this is the process I'm showing you in this video. So we need to take accurate measurements, and from there we take our alignment using a thread. To make sure that all our POP plugs are already in alignment. Yes, they are all in alignment. Yeah. Also, what's the full meaning of the POP? I said it in one of our videos, which is simply plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is actually the Francophone system. They really do more of POP, more of decoration ceilings. They brought it. So it sounds, or it makes sense whenever most of their words are mentioned in the French word. Yeah. So as you can see, our papillon is being erected. So we've placed our aluminium bars, which will help us hold the plugs. So you can see it in the video. It's ready to be installed. And how is it done? So just watch it carefully and you see how it is done. Yeah. So that is it. So the aluminium bar will help us receive the POP plugs at a right position. Yeah. So when we are done, with the help of the binding wires and also the papillon, we hold the plugs at the right position, and they are all in alignment. We make sure they are all in alignment as well. So as you can see, this is beautifully done by Express Services. So from there, what do? We hold it with the fiber together with the POP paste. Yeah, and the paste is made by POP cement being mixed by water. Yes, and also a glue, a small glue, and also the home charm. Yeah, and I bet you this thing, when it's dried up, it's very solid. It's very solid. So most of the time, people do prefer plasterboard than POP because they always bring out this bad comment that they've experienced falling of POP. See, when your ceiling or your POP ceiling falls, then the issue here is that it's not being fixed well. It's not being fixed well. Yes, and we experience these things when the ceiling, the POP ceiling, is being done just right after the flow. So let's say you have a story building whereby you've not completed the first floor. So whenever you have such situation, you realize that the slab, the concrete slab, or the floor on the top receives water. So when there is penetration of water, it goes through the slab, which gets into contact with the POP installation being done. So gradually, when water is penetrating continuously, you realize that there's a loose of these papillons or these POP fiber that holds the plugs together. Then gradually it falls. Yes, so whenever you have such situation, it's normal, but when there is no concrete slab or when there's no flow and you have your POP ceiling, it's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah. So you can see in our video how it's been installed. Yeah, so there's the next one. So let me leave you so that you enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any suggestion to add up to this video, you can leave it in the comment section. If you also need more clarification as well, you can also leave it in the comment section. If you need any of our services, you can also call the numbers you can see on your screen. And if you've not yet subscribed, kindly do that to help grow the channel so that we can all educate ourselves. Thank you very much.